Have you ever wondered how the safety of medical products is monitored after they hit the market? Welcome to the world of pharmacovigilance and safety, a critical function within the Medical Affairs Department. Its main task: to monitor the safety and benefit risk profiles of medical products once they've entered the marketplace. In essence, it's the guardian of patient safety, ensuring that products like drugs and medical devices continue to be safe and effective for use. From adverse event monitoring to safety data collection, signal detection to risk minimization strategies, the role of pharmacovigilance and safety is multifaceted and crucial. It's all about safeguarding patient health and ensuring that medical products are used safely and appropriately throughout their life cycle. So let's delve deeper into the aspects that make up this critical function. Imagine you're using a new medication and experience an unexpected side effect. Who would be responsible for monitoring and reporting this? In the realm of medical affairs, there's a whole team of dedicated professionals who are responsible for this pivotal task. They work in a critical field known as pharmacovigilance and safety. Their primary duty: monitoring and reporting adverse events. Let's break it down. Adverse events are unexpected reactions, side effects, or undesirable and unintended outcomes that may result from using a medical product. This could be anything from a minor headache to more severe complications. It's the job of these professionals to keep a vigilant eye on these events, collecting and documenting them meticulously. But why is this so important? Well, the primary reason is patient safety. By monitoring these events, they can quickly identify if a product is causing harm and take immediate action. This could mean recalling the product, updating its usage guidelines, or even launching further investigations into its safety profile. The second key aspect of their role is reporting. Once an adverse event is identified, it needs to be reported to regulatory authorities. In the United States, for example, this would be the Food and Drug Administration. These reports are critical in helping regulatory authorities track the safety of medical products on the market. But it's not just about sending off a quick email. This reporting has to be done in a timely, detailed, and systematic manner. This is to ensure that all necessary information is included, and that regulatory authorities can act swiftly if needed. This process of monitoring and reporting is not a one-off activity. It's a continuous, ongoing process that remains in place for as long as the product is on the market. It's a cornerstone of pharmacovigilance, and it's vital to ensuring the ongoing safety and effectiveness of medical products. So next time you pick up a prescription or use a medical device, remember there's a team behind the scenes, tirelessly working to protect your health and safety. As we can see, adverse events monitoring and reporting form the backbone of pharmacovigilance. Data in many ways is the lifeblood of pharmacovigilance. But how is this data collected and used? Let's delve into the fascinating world of safety data collection and signal detection. Safety data collection plays a crucial role in the field of pharmacovigilance. The process involves gathering safety information from an array of sources. These can include healthcare professionals who are treating patients, the patients themselves who are using the medical products, and clinical trials that test the safety and efficacy of these products. Other sources can be post-marketing studies that monitor the effects of the products after they have been launched on the market, and medical literature that provides a wealth of knowledge about various medical conditions and treatments. Collecting safety data, however, is only part of the story. What's equally important is what we do with that data, and this is where signal detection comes in. Signal detection is a scientific approach that uses statistical and analytical methods to identify potential safety signals or patterns in the data. These signals might suggest previously unknown safety concerns associated with the use of a medical product. Imagine signal detection as a high-tech radar system scanning the horizon for potential threats. It scrutinizes the vast sea of data, looking for patterns and anomalies that could indicate a safety issue. These issues could range from unexpected side effects to interactions with other medications that were not apparent in the initial clinical trials. Once a safety signal is detected, it's not an automatic cause for alarm. Instead, it triggers a thorough investigation to determine whether the signal represents a genuine safety risk or if it's a random occurrence. This investigation may involve additional data collection, further analysis, and even consultation with external experts. So, safety data collection and signal detection go hand in hand. Together, they form a dynamic duo that helps ensure the safety and efficacy of medical products long after they have hit the market. They provide the necessary information to make informed decisions about the benefit-risk balance of a product and to take appropriate action when necessary. Through rigorous data collection and signal detection, potential safety concerns can be identified and addressed. Scene script. Once a potential risk is identified, what happens next? Well, let's dive right into that. The next step involves a crucial process known as benefit-risk assessment. This process is a comprehensive evaluation where professionals weigh the therapeutic benefits of a medical product against its potential risks. Think of it like a scale. On one side, we have the benefits, the effectiveness of the product in treating or preventing a medical condition. On the other side, we have the risks, potential side effects or adverse reactions that could occur with product use. The goal is to ensure that the benefits tip the scale, outweighing the risks. The benefit-risk assessment is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that continues throughout the product's life cycle. As new data emerge from various sources, the assessment is updated to reflect the most current and accurate understanding of the product's safety profile. Now, what if the scale tips towards risks? This is where risk minimization strategies come into play. These are actions taken to reduce the likelihood of adverse events or to mitigate their impact if they do occur. Risk minimization strategies can take various forms. For instance, product labels might be updated with new safety information, or the distribution of the product might be restricted to certain patient populations or settings. Sometimes additional safety monitoring measures might be implemented, such as requiring healthcare professionals to regularly monitor patients using the product for specific side effects. And in some cases, if the risk is deemed too high and cannot be effectively managed, the product might be withdrawn from the market. It's a last resort, but patient safety is always the top priority. Risk minimization strategies are a critical part of pharmacovigilance. They allow us to proactively address safety concerns, ensuring that medical products remain safe and effective for those who need them. By assessing benefits and risks and implementing strategies to minimize risk, we ensure the safety of medical products. Remember, it's all about keeping that scale tipped in favor of benefits for the well-being of patients worldwide. Communication and compliance are pillars of pharmacovigilance, but how do they play out in this context? Let's delve into this. Safety communication is a crucial component of pharmacovigilance. It entails the dissemination of safety information to various stakeholders. This includes healthcare professionals who need to be aware of any potential side effects of a medication they're prescribing, patients who are using the medication, and the general public. Safety communication is all about transparency and ensuring everyone has the information they need to make informed decisions about their health. This could be in the form of safety alerts about potential risks associated with a medication, updates on new findings from post-marketing studies, or recommendations on the safe and effective use of a product. Now, let's switch gears and talk about regulatory compliance. This is all about making sure that the company is following all the rules and guidelines set by regulatory authorities like the FDA for post-marketing safety surveillance and reporting. Compliance is not just about ticking boxes. It's about ensuring that patient safety remains at the forefront. It involves timely reporting of adverse events, accurate data collection, and thorough analysis. If a company falls short in any of these areas, it could face significant penalties, including fines, sanctions, or even product recalls. So compliance is not just a matter of legality, it's also about reputation and trust. Finally, it's important to note that safety communication and regulatory compliance go hand in hand. Effective communication can support compliance efforts by keeping everyone informed and aligned on safety standards and expectations. Conversely, strong compliance practices can enhance communication by ensuring that all safety information shared is accurate, reliable, and up to date. So you see, communication and compliance aren't just standalone activities. They're intertwined and integral to the overall function of pharmacovigilance. Together, they contribute to a robust system that prioritizes patient safety and ensures that medical products are used safely and effectively. With effective communication and strict regulatory compliance, pharmacovigilance plays a vital role in ensuring product safety. Post-marketing studies and database management may not sound glamorous, but they are fundamental to pharmacovigilance. Let's find out why. Post-marketing studies offer an invaluable opportunity to gather additional safety data. They continue where clinical trials left off, providing real-world evidence on how a product performs once it's in the hands of the public. They help us to understand any safety concerns that may arise and address specific regulatory requirements. Now, let's talk about those vast pharmacovigilance databases. They're like the memory banks of pharmacovigilance, storing, analyzing, and reporting safety information as needed. Managing these databases is a colossal task, but it's critical for maintaining a comprehensive view of product safety. It allows us to spot trends, identify potential issues, and take swift action when necessary. From conducting post-marketing studies to managing vast databases, these activities ensure the continued safety of medical products. To sum it all up, pharmacovigilance and safety within the Medical Affairs Department is a critical function. It's a vital cog in the healthcare wheel, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of medical products, from adverse event monitoring to risk minimization strategies. This function is key in maintaining regulatory compliance, communicating safety information, and conducting post-marketing studies. So, next time you use a medical product, remember the intricate system in place that ensures its safety.